my friends! Today we're going to speedrun the Hall of Tortured Souls in Microsoft Excel 95. For those of you who don't know what it is, you can find a video showing it in the top right corner of the screen if you click on the info button. For those of you who do know what it is, you might wonder how you could speedrun the Hall of Tortured Souls, because there is nothing to speedrun, right? Well, let me show you. So you do have this hall here, and if you turn around, you are facing this beautiful wall, which you can just remove by typing XLKFA. And then you see how there's a snake path going along to the other side of the room, where there's a hole in the wall and you can step into another room. Now, it's not that easy to cross this path, and if you actually step on the side, you just fall down to the ground and you cannot get back up from here. So you have to restart, you have to actually close this window and open it again. So you start again at the starting point, and then you can try again, turn around, Excel, KFA, and now you have another try. And now the time will start as soon as I first click into this window. You have this window here, and as soon as I first click inside, this time will start to run. And the stopwatch will stop counting the time as soon as you are on the other side. So if you notice here, there's a small ledge on the ground, and as soon as you step on it, the camera will raise up just a tiny bit, but it's noticeable. And in this moment, the stopwatch will stop the time, and this will be my final time. Now, I will probably not do it on the first try, but I will just try until I can do it. So let's get ready. I will reset this. Almost. Yeah, so here is the hall. I will prepare the stopwatch and we will go, and it will start now. So first have to turn around, type in XLKFA, and now I have to try and do this. Oh no. Well, first try. Let's try once more. So 3, 2, 1, go. Turning around is somehow the slowest part, and I'm also not very quick at typing XLKFA. No! Oh no. Well, next try. This time I'm just typing it ahead of time, so I can now just turn around and the wall is gone already. How? Oh no, I'm not... No! Why is this so complicated? The controls are not very precise, so that's pretty annoying. Okay, let's start again, I guess. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yes, this looks like a good try. Yes, yes, yes. Ha! So, that's it. It's not more than this. This is all there is to it. Yeah. Now here it is, and you can see the room where I'm coming from. But one thing that I should also try is to have the way back, to have the speedrun of going forwards and then also returning backwards. So this is what I'll be trying now. So I will open the hall and click inside, and let's go. So I do XLKFA, and then I just run to the other side. Okay, so far so good. Wow, I'm pretty good this round. So this is the first half. Now I have to turn around. Oh no, it's lagging. No, no! Whoa. I already thought I missed it. No, no, okay. Ooh, very close. Ah, and done. Yeah, so apparently the more often you do it, the easier it gets, which seems a bit hard to believe if you're actually doing it, but yeah, it actually gets easier with time, I guess. Yeah. Okay, but so this is it. You can see my times listed on the screen. One time for just going from one side to the other, and the second time for actually doing both, like going forwards and then also returning back to the starting point. This was probably a very good time, I suppose, but I am very sure that it was not the best possible time. I suppose you can save some time in the corners by, I don't know, not sliding in with such high speed, or maybe you can type in the XLKFA code quicker than I can. In any case, I want to challenge you, my dear viewers, to take the challenge too, and to try a speedrun of the Hall of Tortured Souls. Either just the single one, the double one, or both. It doesn't matter. Or invent new categories if you feel like it. Just do it. It's all fine. Upload a video of your attempts to YouTube and tag them with HOTS Challenge. Add the hashtag HOTS Challenge to your description so I can find these videos a lot easier. And once you're done, get a few of your friends or acquaintances, I don't know, and get them to also do the challenge. Nominate a few other people who should also try it. And it doesn't matter if you're actually faster or slower than me, or do it more elegantly or whatever. Just try it, take the challenge, have some fun, and upload your video on YouTube. And I also want to nominate the people on my YouTube friends list, which are Technological Byte, Enderman, Siam Alam, and PandaTech. I want to nominate you guys to try the challenge, to try to beat my time, and just upload your results, whatever they may be. If you beat my time, if you don't beat my time, just upload them and add the hashtag HOTS Challenge. I'm sure this will be very fun. And to you, my viewers, I also want to request that you like and share this video such that a lot of people get to see it, because it would be really great if we could get 1,000 participants to actually take the challenge and upload a video. I know it's a pretty large number and maybe it's a bit unrealistic, but with your help I'm sure that it will work out and that we can do it. And please also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because in the future, if we get enough submissions, I am planning to have a live stream, where I will be watching the videos tagged as HOTS Challenge, and we will watch them together on YouTube, and we will see how many we get and what kind of videos we get. I don't have any concrete plans, but I want to have this stream, so please subscribe so you don't miss it. You should also have the same setup as I am using, and I am using a 86box emulator. You can find a download for it in the description, and I have set it up with the following hardware. So if you go to the settings, you see I have this machine, CPU type, and most importantly is the CPU type speed. And then also the display. This is what I have as a display adapter. I basically used the tutorial from 86box channel. I have linked the tutorial. Just use this tutorial to set up your machine and you're good to go. You need to install Windows 95 on it, and you need to install Office 95 because Excel is part of Office 95. Then enter the Hall of Tortured Souls and just start recording like I did. And also stop your time and add the time as an overlay, or say it into the microphone or add it on screen or whatever. Just try to record your time and see see how well you did. With that said, thank you for sticking around till the end, thank you for watching, and I hope that I see a lot of you people take the challenge and upload a video, and maybe we will see each other on the next stream. So, good luck on the challenge and bye! Interlacing.